Marketwall. If you don't find a suitable supplier in the Businessplace.ae, you can use the Marketwall to find out new suppliers. It is a virtual advertising space where a buyer can post the requirements in the energy industry. After logging into Businessplace.ae, click on this link to go to the Marketwall page. Separate tabs are provided for energy products and energy services. By clicking on these tabs, you can see the posts related to energy services and energy products. If you are a registered supplier, then by clicking on View More button, you can see more details about the requirements and the buyers. To post your requirement in Businessplace.ae, you need to click on the Make a Post button. Now enter the title of the requirement, description, select the section, main category, subcategory, and the location. You could also attach picture, Excel file and a PDF file of the requirement. Now click submit to post it on the Marketwall. Thank you.